Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will presenting about Ishikawa diagram, focusing on this topic. And before I'm briefly deeper in this topic, I would like to presenting. My name is Wan Muhammad Ekadrifullah Maslan TM23011. Okay, first of all, in Ishikawa diagram, what is the main on the uses of Ishikawa diagram? It begins with Six Sigma. So what is Six Sigma? Before diving into the fishbone diagram, I would like to briefly touch on Six Sigma, the broader methodology where this tool is often used. Six Sigma is all about improving process by reducing defects and minor errors, minimizing variation and increasing the efficiency of the production. The goal is to reach near perfection, whereas only 3.4 defects occur per million opportunities, which means extremely high quality and consistency. Six Sigma applies not only to manufacturing but also to service, healthcare, and logistics. Okay, before we go deeper in the Six Sigma, so I would like to briefly about one method that we use in Six Sigma, which is DMIC. DMIC got 5-step problem-solving framework, which is define, measure, analyze, and improve and control. Define is stating the problem and understanding the customer needs. Measure, measure is the part data collection, matrix selection, data analysis tools, baseline creation, and finding the performance. And part analyze is we identify the root of cause of problem of the products by using fishbone diagram. And improve part is we design and implement effective solution based on our analysis. Lastly, control, we sustain improvement by monitoring performance and putting control in place. In this topic, the fishbone diagram is especially useful during the analyze phase. Okay, we have talked about Ishikawa. Now, what is the Ishikawa diagram? Means that Ishikawa diagram is known as fishbone diagram, which was introduced by Kaoru Ishikawa in 1968. It's a visual tool that helps teams identify, explore, and display all possible outcomes of a specific problem. It looks like a fish skeleton, where the head is the problem, the spine is the central part, and the bone is represent category of potential causes. It used widely in manufacturing, healthcare, education, and service industry to systematically explore what's going wrong in the process. Now we will talk about the parts of the fishbone diagram. The diagram is made up by several components: the fish head, the spine, the primary bones, the secondary bones. Okay, we talk about the fish head first. This is the main issue or effect being analyzed. For the example, a product defect or late delivery. The spine is her horizontal line connecting everything to the main issue. Primary bones is the main cause category, like machine, man, and method. And the secondary branch is more specific causes, branches out about uh, example under machine. We talk about the lack of maintenance and wear and tear. Uh, that's what's category and why this part have their own characteristic in the analyzing. Okay, we will go to deeper about Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram is a diagram showing the course of event that is often used in manufacturing and product development. It helps teams categorize potential causes of the problem into structured branches such as machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. We will go deeper in about this one by one. Okay. Uh, Before we go too deeper, we must know when to use the Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram we will use to identify multiple potential causes of the problem. And then we find the root of analysis in the Lean or Six Sigma project. And then we start off process improving planning. And lastly, problem are complex and no obvious single causes. This is when situation in the company or anything else in the project, we need to find the cause of the root of the problem. If we know the problem but then we don't know the root, if we try to solve the cause, so sometimes it not the main cause, so it will affect our costing in the time and project development. And here we gonna talk about the advantage and disadvantage of Ishikawa diagram. First, we talk about the advantage. Advantage is visually represent complex relationship and interaction between factors contributing to a problem. Secondly, promotes collaboration and involvement of team members and stakeholders, leading to diverse perspective and insight. Lastly, encourage a structured approach to problem solving by categorizing causes such as 6M or 4M or 8P, aiding in identification and prioritization. And then the disadvantage of using Ishikawa diagram is lack of quantitative analysis of causes, making it unable to measure their impact precisely. And of course, it requires of time and effort, especially for complex problems with numerous factors and variables, which can lead to frustration during doing the analysis can result in loss of focus not managed properly during when we not managed properly during the detail about the creating the diagram, which is we are creating the solution or we finding the um, root of causes. It really affect our uh, ourselves because we need to think about what is the main cause of this project to be failed. Okay, in order to let us not frustrated in finding the use of Ishikawa diagram, we need to know three type of the Ishikawa diagram. First, got 4M model. Second, 6M model, and lastly 8P. 4M model is have main focus M or for man, machine, method, and material. Commonly used in manufacturing and basic process analyzing. And then 6M is a measure is add on about measurement and mother nature is environment which we just add on 2M for the more analyzing and widely used in Six Sigma and root cause analysis. And lastly, got 8P model. AP model is about people, policies, procedure, product, price, place, promotion, and process. This is very suitable in service, in marketing, and operation. Here we know which company, which current situation that we need to use of the type of Ishikawa diagram. Okay, we focus on 4M models, which is very basic models. Okay, first man. Uh, are there skill gaps or training issue in this manpower? Next, machine. Machine is equipment functioning properly. We can ask that machine is functioning properly. Third, we can ask about material. Material of the project, which is the materials are reliable and available. Lastly, method that we use to produce the product. Maybe the procedures are standardized or not efficient. We can study more detail when we do 4M methods. It is commonly used in the manufacturing and agricultural environment and very suitable for external factors have minimal impact and helps identify the root cause of the problem and service and healthcare industry. Okay, for CSM models, we got two more add-on, which is Mother Nature, Environment. Measurement is about the data and KPI, which is it accurate and reliable? The Mother Nature, is it the Mother Nature are working conditions safe or conducive? Maybe we can talk about the machine. If the Mother Nature can make the machine rusting, for example, also we can add here is poor lighting or excessive noise might affect the inspection quality. This model is often used in Six Sigma and root cause analysis. By discovering all these fishbone CSM method. And we can see here every part have their own how to analyze it, such as man skill training and competence of workers. We can see the uh, environment, external condition, and the measurement about the data, metrics, and KPI. Method is process and procedure. Same with the 4M, just add 2 more M. Okay, on the slides, these slides, we are going to deeper about what's the 8Ps. 8Ps are process, place, price, product, promotion, people, physical evidence, and performance. Okay, we're gonna talk about the detail about this first. It's the factor that people, policy, price, and promotion. In a business setting, this model helps analyze customer service failures, marketing issues, and process inefficiencies. The beauty of the fishbowl diagram is that it can be adapted based on the context. These 8Ps are mostly used on the marketing sides, not for the manufacturing. Just this is mostly used in the uh, marketing and business part. Okay, now we are gonna talk how fishbowl diagrams is created. Here is the procedure. We got first define the problem, second draw the design, third identify the category, four list possible causes, five analyze causes, six find root causes. Okay, the first step is when we define the problem, we need to be specific and focused. Second, when we draw the diagram, spine in the head, place the main problem at the fish head, and then we find the category that we want to choose with 4M, 6M, or AP models. Depends on what we are going to analyze, either is marketing or manufacturing sites. Next, brainstorm causes, add bonds for each possible factor so that we can analyze the reason and the causes. And lastly, and then last but not least, analyze causes, discuss with your team and explore sub causes so that we find the solution for every causes the problem. Okay, find the root causes. For the last part is determine which causes most likely contribute to the main problem, and this method ensure a structure that collaborative problem solving process. Okay, this is one of an example fishbowl diagram which are using in the real world solution. Okay, as we can see here, this is about the iron in product. So this method is usage and measurement method, environment, manpower, and machine. And then the measurement parts is got to sub causes, which is lab errors, solvent contamination. So this is one a good example that we can we can refer and we can understand how these main root causes is used, such as in the machine part is lots of sub causes, rusty pipes, heat exchanger leak, materials of construction, you can see here, and got lots in sub more, which is the in or out of the air. Okay, that is how in this iron in product Ishikawa diagram was real world used in this research. Okay, now I bring you about where application of Ishikawa diagram on sewing industry firm. You can see here Ishikawa diagram was about the sewing defects. Is up and down, twisting, puckering, broken stitch, uneven stitch, shade, skip. This method not use AP for MSSM, but then they are replacing with their own main courses, which is uh, about the skip stitch. You can see the thickness, subcourse thickness. So in this application, we are finding recommendation from the diagram, which is keep the workplace clean, organize material properly, ensure enough training for inspector and checker, analyze inspection reports and take corrective action, conduct training on defect detection, train staff to prepare inspection reports, run quality awareness program, and align all the employees with quality goals. So this is good example when we do analyzing and we find the solution after analyze every single problem occur in real world application. Okay, so in the conclusion, I would like to conclude my presentation today by the fishbowl diagram is a powerful visual tool that supports structural thinking, team collaborative, and systematic analyzing. It helps uncover the root causes behind issue, whether in manufacturing, service, or healthcare, also marketing. When combined with the Six Sigma DMIC approach, it becomes even more effective in driving continuous improvement and innovation. Thank you for your attention, guys. I would like to thank you for my lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Anwar Muhammad, and for this opportunity to let me explain it and about the MIC method, focusing on Ishikawa diagram. From my slides today, I would like to add about all my references in my slides, and the way I got the definition of Six-Sigma, I got the MIC method, Ishikawa diagram, and then Lean Six Sigma, fishbowl diagram, and a lots of study. I'm using all these link citation here. Thank you again from my side. Share.